Hey, welcome back to GovZ Travels. How are you guys today? Today we have planned for a camping trip and we have come to Stephen Austin State Park. Stephen Austin State Park is around 50 miles away from Houston and it takes around 1 hour to drive. So it's a beautiful, pleasant evening. So we have reached here at around 4 p.m. and now we need to set up our tent and all. So let's go for a camping trip. So please join us and let's see how the evening goes ahead. Please join us. Welcome to Stephen Austin State Park, a peaceful escape in the heart of Texas, surrounded by towering trees and the calm beauty of the Brazos River. This hidden gem is a perfect place to relax, camp, and reconnect with the outdoors. In today's adventure, we are setting up our camp, enjoying the sounds of nature, and experiencing the beauty of one of Texas' most historic state parks. Whether you love camping, hiking, fishing, or simply unwinding under the stars, Stephen Austin State Park offers the perfect outdoor getaway. So pack your camping gear, grab your snacks, and join us as we experience an unforgettable camping trip in beautiful Texas nature. Let's get started. This time we will be joined by a friend and his family. We started from home at 3 p.m. as we have a 50-mile drive to the park, and this may take an hour for us to drive. Located near the historic town of San Felipe, this park is surrounded by tall trees, peaceful campsites, wildlife, and the scenic Brazos River. It's a perfect destination for camping, relaxing, and reconnecting with nature. If you love nature, campfires, hiking trails, river views, and escaping the busy city life, this place is perfect for a weekend adventure. This is the park entrance. We are in the park store. They have some impressive collection of park t-shirts and caps. As we enter the park, you can immediately feel the calm atmosphere. Let's take a ride inside the park and see different camping facilities here. This is a regular camping area. The place looks cool. You can see a lot of kids playing here. The park has an entrance fee of $5 for adults, and kids below 12 years enter free. And the camping sites cost anywhere between $15 to $25 depending on where you stay. You can buy some wood for the campfire here at the kiosk. The fresh air, sounds of birds, and shaded roads make the drive itself relaxing. This park is named after Stephen Austin, known as the father of Texas, and the area is rich in Texas history. The park is well maintained and offers campsites, RV spots, picnic areas, hiking trails, playgrounds, and river access. Now we have reached our campsite. This is a primitive campsite with no facilities except a water hose. Surprisingly, today there were a lot of mosquitoes in the park as it rained for the last few days, and there are lots of ponds nearby. We had to visit the store at the park entrance again and buy some mosquito repellent sprays and coil to survive the night. It's always advisable to carry some moth repellent or mosquito repellent when you go for camping trips, as these parks are filled with greenery and water bodies. You can expect mosquitoes usually here. As we did not get a regular campsite, we had to book the primitive site, which is usually deep into the woods. The regular campsites are spread across larger areas, and you can get to see a lot of people camping nearby and feels more safer usually. After having our evening snack of churumuri and tea, we start setting up the tent. Setting up the tent in the middle of nature feels amazing. You can hear the wind moving through the trees while enjoying the quiet environment away from the city traffic and noise. Camping here is great for families, solo travelers, couples, and even first-time campers. It's a lot of fun when you have more people together. You can always plan with 2 to 3 families, as kids get company to play as well as adults can spend some quality time in chit-chatting. As evening approaches, it's time for the best part of camping, the campfire. You can get firewood for campfire when you come to the park. You can get the firewood in the park as well in case you have not brought the firewood. You can also get a fire starter so that you don't have to struggle to get your fire started. It'll be amazing sitting around the campfire and enjoying the night during the winter. As the sun begins to set, the park becomes even more beautiful. There is something special about sitting around a fire under the Texas sky. The golden light through the trees creates an amazing camping atmosphere. Nighttime camping here feels peaceful and refreshing. If you enjoy stargazing, this is a wonderful place to sit back and enjoy the night sky. Cooking food outdoors, roasting marshmallows, and sharing stories makes the experience unforgettable. We grilled some vegetables and enjoyed our dinner as night falls. Getting the food ready took some time as we had to grill the veggies. The peaceful night atmosphere here is incredible. You can hear crickets, see the stars clearly, and truly enjoy the beauty of nature. The park maintains a no noise period between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. We went to bed at around 12 a.m. and got up early to enjoy the morning sun. Good morning, and we had a good night's sleep here at Stephen Austin State Park today. Let's prepare some tea and breakfast now. The morning hours are always good for some hiking trips as there are plenty of hiking trails inside the park. Stephen Austin State Park is truly a hidden outdoor gem in Texas. Whether you enjoy camping, hiking, relaxing by the river, or spending quality time with family and friends, this park offers a perfect outdoor experience. As we wrap up our camping trip here, thank you very much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this camping video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to GovZ Travels for more travel and outdoor adventures. See you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep exploring.